Append a dictionary to a dictionary. I have two existing dictionaries, and I wish to append one of them to the other. By that I mean that the key values of the other dictionary should be made into the first dictionary. For example, I think this all can be achieved through a for loop, maybe? But is there some method of dictionaries or any other module that saves this job for me? The actual dictionaries I'm using are really big.
You can do. Or, if you don't want original to be modified, make a copy first. Note that if extra and original have overlapping keys, the final value will be taken from extra. For example,
there are two ways to add one dictionary to another. Update modifies original in place. Merge creates a new dictionary. Caveats. Note that these operations are non-commutative. In all cases, the latter is the winner. For example, it is also important to note that only from Python 3.7 and Python 3.6, dicts are ordered. So, in previous versions, the order of the items in the dictionary may vary.
Dict.update looks like it will do what you want. Perhaps, though, you don't want to update your original dictionary, but work on a copy.
Assuming that you do not want to change original, you can either do a copy and update like the other answers, or you can create a new dictionary in one step by passing all items from both dictionaries into the dict constructor. Or without iter-tools. Note that you only need to pass the result of items into list on Python 3, on 2. Xdict.items already returns a list, so you can just do dictOriginal.items plus extra.items. As a more general use case, say you have a larger list of dicts that you want to combine into a single dict, you could do something like this.
A three-liner to combine or merge two dictionaries. This creates a new dictionary dest without modifying original and extra. Note, if a key has different values in original and extra, then extra overrides original.